Imagine a dad giving birth. Which animal species does this shocking role reversal? It's a secret of the ocean deep. In a truly unique mystery of nature, the male seahorse possesses a special pouch on his abdomen. The female deposits her eggs there, and then the astonishing role reversal begins. The male fertilizes these precious eggs within his body. After weeks, the pouch swells. Then, in a remarkable unfolding, he expels tiny, fully formed miniature seahorses into the water. It's a biological wonder found nowhere else on Earth. Subscribe now for more amazing animal facts.